Hi everybody, quick video here. Really excited. I finally finished a new digital kit, so I thought I'd share it with you. I am still working on my steampunk. I've got this cloth down because my desk is like completely covered in chaos. I have one signature done. It will be a 3-signature book, so I'm making progress. But in the meantime, while I was sick with my cold, I basically just started designing. So this is what I've come up with. It's called Graceful Women. So here's the cover page. I don't remember what her name is, but I wanted something heavily journal related in that there are lots of pages to write on. And typically, I do my pages where there's an image on the right and an image on the left. Well, I didn't do it that way this time. There's only images on the right, and then I did a journal page. So I'll show you how that all goes together. Let me just grab another page here. And then I can sort of give you an idea of how that works. Okay, so here's the cover page. And I believe, well, it should measure 8, I think, by 5 1/4. Almost 8. It's shy of 8. And I don't know why. I put the measurements in and it comes out like that. But anyway, it'll work. Okay, so there's that. We have envelopes. So I've printed 2, but you don't need to see both of them because they're the exact same thing. And I did print on the back. So there's included a plain journal page, and then there's a lined journal page. So there's the envelope. And I actually forgot to tell you. So I designed it. So when you put it, I put it in my book this way. So, sorry, no, this way. So when you fold this up and fold this back, I stitch it here inside the book. And so your flap, you will see the image in the proper spot, so it's not upside down. However, I picked an image that when you turn it and you want to do it this way, it's still upright. So it looks good both ways. So I'm still getting over, I'm not sick anymore, but the tail end of a cold. These are the little mini booklets. You get 4 of those, and again, printed on the back. Then we've got some belly bands here. So we've got 2 that go across the page. I just love, this is the most color that's in the whole journal. It's very neutral palette. That way you can add whatever colors you want. I wanted a damask, which is what the background is, and vintage looking, old. So you get a coin envelope and a mini envelope. You get all kinds of words here that I changed different sizes. I did include 2 plain ones because you might want to put something on the plain ones. Then this one is the pockets, but I had an empty spot, so I put a nice oval, which is, well, it's a little bigger than 4.5. So it's a nice size. You can mount that. You can put it as a belly band in the middle, like, put a band this way or put a band down this way. You can use it as a corner tuck. I mean, there's tons of different ways to use it. And you get 4 pockets that will fit in the corner of your pages. These are the extra large tags. I love the way these turned out. I hope you can see those okay. Yeah, I tend to lift things up and then you can't see them properly. The medium size tags. And the mini tags. And I left 4 blank because, again, you might want to stamp on them or layer them with flowers or whatever. Then I also included the mason jars, and I made them a little smaller than I typically do. They just fit in pockets a little bit better. And included 2 postcards and then some toppers, like tabs. You can put them on top of a tag or at the side of a page, however you want. Okay, so here are the pages. So you can see, I'm dropping these, hang on. if you saw the mess to the left of me, you'd understand. Okay, so you can see it's a very faint journaling line, and all of them are framed. They're different frames, but all of them are framed. And then what I did was I printed it again here so that when you add, I'll show you this page. So let's put them together. Now, if I had, this isn't the lined one, it's the planed one. It accidentally printed out, I don't know how. But if you have a plain, like another journal line, or even the plain one, doesn't matter, put them together. So when you fold them, you now have an image, and then you open it, and you've got 2 journal pages, and then this would be a journal page, and then an image. So you get lots of continuous journaling, and I did that for my travel journal, and I loved it. I loved that it was like that. It just made more sense for my particular needs. So for those journalers, like true journalers out there, I think this is a kit that you might enjoy. Okay, so that's page 1, page 2, in no particular order. I love this one. She is absolutely stunning, this woman. And I've added a stamp that I made of a rosebud. I love this one too. I love her hat. Don't you wish you could wear hats like that? Maybe if I lived in England. Okay. There are, like I said, there's 12. Or did I say? There are 12 pages. Love this one too. She's gorgeous. And this woman is gorgeous too. But you can see how neutral the palette is. I went with sepias and kind of a burnt browns, and yeah. Tried to put feminine elements in there. Made it a little grungy. I love this one too. She's got great bone structure. So that's the 12th page. So you get 12 pages plus 2 journal pages, 1 lined, 1 plain, and then you get all the ephemera that I showed you. So it's in the store already. And I hope you like it. I'm in love with it, and I can't wait to work with this, but I need to finish the other one that I started. I gotta get going on it. That's all I've got for you today. Hopefully I'll have something, worthwhile to share in the next little while. So thanks for tuning in, and hope to talk to you soon. Bye.